Moving the label with the elevations of 3 surfaces. How to make a label as for the earthwork plan, 2 surfaces and the difference of elevations between them. Add surface labels, height labels on the grid. Customize the label style for adding reference text, which allows you to display the elevations of other surfaces in the label. Adjusting the shift of the elevations relatively to the insertion point of the label. Changes to the standard label style made just now. Selection in the Properties label of surfaces for displaying elevations. Don't forget to rebuild surfaces to get up-to-date elevation.